Tired of losing your valuables? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution to never losing your keys, wallet, or anything important again. What makes AirTag truly revolutionary is Apple's precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to pinpoint your item's exact location with incredible accuracy right on your iPhone. No more frantic searching. Your iPhone literally guides you to your lost item, showing direction and distance down to the foot. Setting up your new AirTag is unbelievably simple. Just one tap brings it into your Apple ecosystem, ready to track within seconds. This seamless integration means you're not wrestling with complicated instructions, but instantly enjoying peace of mind. Worried about splashes or dusty adventures? These little trackers boast an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, making them incredibly durable for everyday use. Unlike generic trackers, AirTag taps into Apple's vast Find My network, allowing millions of iPhones worldwide to help locate your item if it's far away and out of your personal range. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker to safeguard your belongings, this 4-pack offers incredible value. You can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack and finally stop losing things by checking out the Amazon link in the description below. I highly recommend the Apple AirTag for anyone invested in the Apple ecosystem, seeking unparalleled tracking precision and ultimate peace of mind in 2025.